Today I'm reviewing these adorable faux topiary rabbits. They were gifted to me for a review and I'm so excited to add them to my Easter decoration collection. Well, let's measure them in real time, shall we? So this one is just under 6 inches tall and the other little one is just about 4.5 inches tall. These seem to be of really good quality. They're very solid. And if you can get a close-up look at them, you can see the topiary, like faux green fur is very solid on here. There's no thin spots, and it's well covered. And I think it's going to last as long as you package them correctly. When you store them, it's going to last a while. They're super cute. They look really great next to some baskets or possibly even outside if they were in a covered area. I don't know if I'd want to get them very wet. This could get all kind of, I mean, it's supposed to be moss, but you don't want real mold or mossy growing on it. So I highly recommend these. Look at their little faces. Their faces are just really adorable and sweet and a great addition to anyone's Easter decoration collection.